Turn it on. Boom.
Let's wait a couple seconds.
So I see this is going to be Rachel. Rachel will be
Right.
on the laptop. There we go. Now you're live.
And so, create a highlight. So how it works is, you get the start time. So wherever the cursor is at, that's the start time.
Okay.
So if you want to pull it back 5 seconds, you can actually pull it back 5 seconds.
Yeah.
And you get the play time. So it's
Okay.
at the 4 seconds of how long the stream
Now
is
you've let it
going.
play, and then when we're comfortable that that's the clip, boom.
Yeah, it's like,
Get player time.
That's where it happened.
Right,
It needs to be a
4:15.
minimum of, I think it was 5 seconds.
Okay.
And then
And then where do you actually put the
So-
info?
we'll say highlight 1,
Yeah.
private or public, up to you, and then you just upload. And so it now made that highlight.
Where is that? How do I get that back?
Video manager. Highlight.
Okay.
Now they're not instantly available
Right.
because there's some processing on the end of YouTube to get it from the live stream. But I want to say within a minute, it should be up. Oh, okay, this is for you. Yeah. So
This is the Gmail one, right?
yeah, just so we can see it on the other.
You want to Coachella? I'm dead.
Did you get the ticket?
My first time. Oh yeah, I did. Got in.
Damn.
What'd you get?
2018.
Coachella tickets for next year.
And already? Oh, nice.
Bought them last week.
The pre-sale.
Pre-sale out. Wait, they have a lineup out? No, mine is
No.
going out to January.
What?
Alright.
You just went ahead and bought it.
Yeah.
Got a
So
snap.
once this is ready, you can go in and add tags to it. So if you want to like tag it with shots on goal, you could do that. And then if you want to sort it by, I think, shots on goal, I think you can do that too. As soon as this loads. Okay, 95%. Oh, okay. Yeah, so right here. You need tags. So you can do shots on goal. Descriptions. Good shot. Bad shot. Should we go? Yeah, there we go.
So from here, it lets me pull up the desktop version of it.
Mhm.
Could I then create a highlight here, just like you have there?
Yeah, actually, you can do it.
Yeah.
I just need to. Oh, just.
Oh, video.
Yeah, so you would go to. Oh, where's my channel?
But as long as I can pull up the desktop
yeah.
version.
Yeah. As long as you can pull up the desktop version, you could do it. The only problem is that it's just small. I don't know
Yeah.
if you want to be like fiddling on something
Right.
so tiny. That's where the tablet comes in.
Yeah.
Because you could even use a stylus if you want to be more accurate with your presses and all of that. Yeah. So, you should be able to sort that.
You use this. Which tablets did we go with?
You guys had suggested an iPad,
32
Yeah.
gig data plan.
Okay.
which we have not get approved yet.
What did I put the tag in?
Does HP create tablets?
They have like laptop
Yeah,
tablets.
I don't know if you can hear it, but my laptop's kind of.
Yeah, they used to have one.
Yeah.
70.
So
It usually hovers around 70 to like 80% of the CPU
Aren't they
power.
supposed to be private?
which is just like it's
They
all,
didn't set it, right?
that's like almost all it's good at. So what tag did I put?
Unless they
Yeah,
shared it
shots
with
on
already.
goal.
Well, this is.
So you should,
Oh,
in
okay.
theory,
Yeah.
be able to
Playground.
like search through your
Playground.
videos for specific tags,
Yeah.
such as shots on goal. But I don't know why it doesn't
Okay.
pop out.
Dude,
You can also do
does
uploaded time.
create you guys
So
play
between the
harshly?
6th and the
Oh,
8th.
what have you guys been getting?
Just like the A's, we got like a 1C
So,
like on
yeah.
the
Yeah. So
I
you
think
can
we're
do like
mostly
that,
getting A's, low
or you
A's.
can do.
The phrase where he's labeled
Oh,
it highlight
yeah.
ones, we can put whatever
Okay.
coach specific
Minus
moment, whatever breakdown, whatever. And then half time we have this.
You have to check the
Big
notes
one,
on
so
that?
boom.
Right.
Watch this. Ding, ding, ding.
It's just all chill.
And also, if you guys feel comfortable with sharing it with other teams, you can do that whenever you want.
Also,
If you
just
guys
lock
want
up
to trade
the water plant.
information, if you want to show scouts for whatever reason,
It's
you
hard.
can show if these are their best moments, along with their worst moments.
Professor Great.
And this is all private, I think, except for the live stream. I think only your, oh no, I think the live stream's still private. I think only you can see it, like your account. So yeah, it's all private until you make it not private.
Right. Okay.
What do you want me to do for mine, Jesus?
Well, are we gonna run through like a real demo, or
Yeah,
we just?
yeah, try to
Okay,
do
so that's. Should
Should we start as if we're presenting it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 minutes.
Yeah, so.
We're not. We okay. I don't think we.
I was gonna flip the camera a little bit.
Okay. Should we start?
Wait, let me
Yeah, we could like introduce ourselves, right?
Yeah.
No, we already introduced
Hold on,
ourselves.
let me first do this for all I'm gonna say for the stuff.
So we're doing the live stream first, right?
Yeah.
And then we can relate game stats
So,
to the stream.
Unfortunately, I was able to finish, as you guys heard.
Yep.
So one of the issues that I ran into was that this thing that I have here would inconsistently like show up and like die. So like there are times where randomly, like literally randomly, I to this day I have not figured out why, but like it would just not load. I didn't figure out why. So what I did was I didn't want that to randomly happen when it was during the presentation. You know, so I started from scratch, and I made a completely new one. All right, and so that's this. Pretty similar, but I was able to get a little bit further. As you can see, I was able to get the grid thing going on that you wanted.
Yep.
And like there's like minor button like I'm still gonna work on this like afterwards, but like we're probably not gonna present this at all because. This one is consistent with all of our, like our poster, like our slides, that this could randomly just die at any moment. So yeah, this is a little bit of functionality. What like the way that I went about coding, like beginning the code, this was first I had to like get touches to actually like do something. I don't know, it's like I don't know, but first we had to get touches to actually do something, and then I had to make the touches like disappear, you know, because after you.
This is an S camera.
Yeah, disappear. But you can't just go for you go one at a time. So first just try to get one disappear. Right now I just made it so that whenever I click incomplete paths, I just decided to choose that one. It will clear these two on the side. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
But the next thing is that it should clear all three of these. This is the current issue I'm running into, but that's not really important for you to know. All you need to know is that for the presentation, this is what we're gonna have, and like this might be what we have. If it works on the day of presentation, this is gonna show up.
It'll work.
Yeah, if it works, this is what's gonna show up, and it'll be cool. And if not, this is what is gonna show up. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, like I said, like it doesn't make stuff. It doesn't put it into the stat sheet yet. The stat sheet hasn't. We haven't done the what's it called? The graphing stuff. The graphing stuff. That's really like compared to this, it's like a lot more simple. You know, like I think you're like I might be able to do it. but I feel like your guy who knows Excel, who's the one who already does it for you,
Yep.
would like be able to do it a lot better than I would be, or any of us, because of his experience in Excel and how similar Google Sheets is to Excel itself. But
Yep.
that's like, I feel like the main issue that I'm worrying about right now is just getting the data there. Getting the data onto the sheet for you guys to manipulate.
That's the
Right.
new thing.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Question?
No, that's much better.
Yep.
For what we would need. Yeah.
So it's like keyboard.
You guys like the grid one more than
You
the?
can play little games.
The
too. Like,
because we have up to 36 players available, that's the piece that's really helpful.
Oh wait, do you guys have 34? You guys don't have 34,
This is dope.
36?
And
even know you
we
can
have
play
what
with that,
varies, so up to 36.
Okay.
You know.
Because I could get rid of them forever.
This is Xbox,
Okay.
right?
Probably six.
X, Y, and this.
Also
So this is
Nintendo
more of
is
a
X, Y, and B.
concept. We sent
I mean, like in this position.
Presser and TA all the
Yeah.
code. So in the future,
Nothing
you guys
A,
want to
X,
pick this
or
project
these.
code again.
Right.
And we'll send you all the documentation,
Oh,
budget,
whatever.
design documents,
But yeah,
and everything.
it's
So
like
cool.
same basic
You find
design.
the team down the road.
Yeah. Right.
Joking with that stuff.
What's
We still have a
Bruce
starting
Lee's
point.
favorite?
Yeah.
What?
What's Bruce Lee's favorite genre?
I don't know.
Alright, cool. Alright, let's present. Let us present.
Feel free to close the door, guys, if you want
Pressed.
That's funny.
to live stream it.
Yeah, we're live streaming right now. So we're the soccer lads, and this is our live demo of the live stream. So,
What's up, guys?
Qualitative portion versus.
yep. So here we're showing that we are indeed filming from the camera. Property of UCI women's soccer team.
Wait, hold on, let's start over and time it.
No.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
Alright, so we are soccer lads. This is our qualitative demonstration of the YouTube live stream software. So as you can see, we are indeed filming live and to this computer, which is streaming it to all YouTube accounts under the name Scotty. And you can show them on yours, like the live stream. So there's the manual, accessing the live stream, create a highlight. And he will create a highlight for the request.
It's in private. Should have one of the laptops connected to the HDMI to the main screen, so they can see him creating.
Do we have a main screen?
In
the room?
projector.
In that basement, I think there's.
Yeah, so they can see the live stream at the same
Yeah,
time.
so I don't
and
have
then
to hold it up.
Yeah,
I see.
and they
Or
will
they could just like look at his screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just walk
About
to
to
his
deliver
screen
some
and
pizza
look
or
in.
something.
So one person holding the camera, one person on the laptop.
And he made the the highlight on that computer, but I can also view it on this separate computer.
I think you should just do a highlight here and a highlight there.
Yeah, I'll also be bringing my tablet.
Okay,
To see if that
have it
works.
on there. Well, just to show that like that computer can make something and this one can access it.
Yeah.
Just to
You
show
can have a
that.
phone as well. Too.
Oh, shit, man, I'm doing it right now.
Just do everything. Just create a highlight.
That's about it for that.
We need to spend as much time as possible
We need to spend like at least
Well,
1 or 2
well-
minutes explaining it, like how is it captures like qualitative aspect of the system.
And like I think we can also talk about like how this
Well,
is
that's
like how it's all hooked up
presentation.
on the field itself.
Yeah, I was thinking we could talk about
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we talk about that.
But the,
Okay, hold on.
because we'll be doing that 8-minute presentation before this, so we don't have to re-explain that stuff. This is just all about how it works.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we could just explain like how it takes like there's like a 10-second lag between the camera
Yeah, we can talk about more
Stream.
specifics.
and then how long it takes to actually upload the
To
highlight
process
that we
it.
created.
Yeah.
It takes about a minute. It's about like a 7 to 10 minute, 10-second lag.
Proxies, China and stuff.
Alright, so we can just do that.
One worker working for each pixel on the screen.
Alright, so go.
Thousands
Present
of-
your.
Alright, so here is the game stats app. Should I Should I even mention that it doesn't work?
Say the concept.
Yeah.
Why do you have to say it doesn't work?
No, should I even?
That works against
Or
us.
should I just straight up say, okay, yeah, once I click these buttons,
It's not
it
fully
uploads
fleshed out.
It's a concept.
It's an incomplete success.
Yeah.
We won. The,
Say concept.
it. Okay, so yeah, this is the Game Stats app. It was developed in Ionic. This one was developed in Ionic Framework, version 1. The way it works is that it allows a statistician who's sitting at the sidelines to click on click on a player, click on a location, and click on a KPI or an action, and then after that is done, it will upload that information to a Firebase database.
Now, if he asks if it doesn't work, tell him like, yeah, it doesn't work. But if you don't ask, let him assume.
Yeah, I agree.
It's like a white lie. What he doesn't know won't hurt him.
Where's this? Where's the sheet? Drive that cool.
Just say yes, the theory works.
Works in theory.
It's fully functional in my head.
So yeah, here's the database which it gets uploaded to. The Firebase is sorted per game. As you can see here is game 1, game 2, game UCLA, UCLA 01. Inside the game you have each player their number, and this is the action or KPI, and here is the location and the amount of times that player performed that action in that location. So here in this case, player 0 performed KPI A at location A1 one time, and he did something at B3 2 times. So yeah. Then from this real-time Firebase database, we go to the stat sheet, and so every single minute, every single minute, this database will get updated. So that is done with this script editor. Let's see. Here we go. It's updating, guys. Look, magic. Boom.
I thought you're pretty cool.
So yeah, I think we could do it like this. Boom, boom, boom. Watch it update.
So just have this all set up beforehand.
Yeah. So here we go. You just saw it update. Now, if I go in here and type in UCLA, in a minute it will update to the UCLA game. As you can see here, we have 0A11 and 0A11 B32. B32 is here as well. Let's close that. Let's see what game UCLA has. It just has 5D A12. So in a minute you'll see that update. But yeah, here's the code for getting all the data from our Firebase database into the spreadsheet. And yeah.
And this will help the coaches on the field.
Yeah, so yeah, before, as we said earlier, the current way that it works is that you have somebody on the side recording it manually with with a pencil and paper, and they have an entire game's turnaround time in order to get that information from him to the coach. However, this is going to allow them to do that immediately and make changes during the game to improve the game. Yeah.
To improve their game.
To improve their game. During the game to improve their game. Thank you. Yay.
How long that take?
Work on it.
Oh, I stopped the timer, dude. I stopped the timer after
Yeah, I was like.
after we stopped this.
Well, that was like 4 minutes.
We could also talk about the hardware that we're using for the live stream.
Yeah.
What it does.
Yeah, explain each part of the system.
So like the
whole
box,
setup.
the camera.
Yeah. And just how it's about the output. Get it to.
Describe a typical use case.
Alright, well, that's about it.
Cool. Good work, guys. This is what our IT guys are about to purchase with our approval.
Okay.
Is that going to do it?
Yeah.
Does it have a USB-C?
Yes, it is. That's the. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I have a dedicated graphics card, one of like the newest processors, so we should be. up
And those are the two pieces.
Yeah, that's like the two main things.
Okay.
That-
New laptop, PJ.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Jesus for the presentation.